How to log into Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into your Facebook account. So before we begin, what we'll do is we'll simply head over to our app store and then download Facebook. Now this is for the people that do not have Facebook yet. So you can simply search for Facebook, and after you search for Facebook, you'll find the app right here. After you find it, simply install it. Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms where you can connect with your friends and families. So you can download this app right here and then open it up after you've downloaded it. After you open it up, you will see this interface. Now, if you already have an account, you can easily log in. All you need to do is type in your mobile number here and then your password and then tap on login. If you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password and then you can reset your password as well. Now for the people that do not yet have an account, there is a create new account option on the bottom. You can tap on it and then you can create a new account before you log in. Now right here you will see your mobile number information. Simply type in your email address, and after you type in your email address, type in your password and then simply tap on login. After you do that, you'll get logged into your Facebook account, and it's that simple. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.